Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Podcast, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. I'm Nathan Hager, and we're joined by Bloomberg's Valerie Teitel, taking a look at some individual movers with the broader market not moving a whole lot this morning. But what's going on with Planet Labs? Why is that on your radar this morning?
Oh, it is jumping on strong demand, up 24% pre-market for Planet Labs. This is the Earth imaging company. It saw its profit beat expectations, mostly due to Europe hiking its defense spending in response to the U.S. pulling back from the continent. Earnings were $1.2 million in the first quarter, its second profitable quarter in a row, and came in better than analysts had expected with a $3 million loss. So a big shock there on the earnings number to the upside. European demand for satellite data is higher now than it was at the outset of the war in Ukraine, the CEO said in an interview. So that's Planet Labs. That stock is up 24% on strong earnings.
And we're seeing a big move to the downside for the owner of Calvin Klein this morning.
Yeah, this is PVH, down 8% pre-market trade. The owner of Calvin Klein and Tommy Hilfiger cut its annual profit outlook, citing the impact of tariffs on shipments heading into the U.S., saying it faces an estimated $65 million hit from tariffs. Its price target was also lowered by Wells Fargo and BMO, with some analysts seeing issues likely to persist through the first half of 2026. That's PVH, the Calvin Klein and Tommy Hilfiger parent, down 8%.
Well, it's not just Calvin Klein. This has kind of been the week of low-end retail earnings. We heard from Dollar General, Dollar Tree this week, and now Five Below.
Five Below. Those shares are up this morning, up 6% on a first quarter beat and strong sales guidance. The discount retailer posted better than expected quarterly results across the board, and it adds to its chorus of its peers. Both Dollar General and Dollar Tree earlier this week said that they had an influx of middle and upper income customers boosting their sales. So it does seem like this trend of consumers trading down to cheaper discount retailers is being seen across the discount industry. They are expecting a profit squeeze on the second half due to tariffs, but it seems like the market didn't necessarily mind that comment. The price target was raised at both JP Morgan and Wells Fargo after results. That's the discount retailer Five Below, up 6% pre-market.
And we're seeing a move in Tesla shares to the downside this morning. Of course, we've been talking a lot about Elon Musk for reasons other than Tesla. Could that be part of the move here?
Yeah, that's right. I mean, it could be, Nathan, that the shares are underperforming the broader market. The broader market is unchanged. Tesla shares are down 1.7% today, putting it on track for its fourth loss in 5 days. The Tesla share did decline a lot yesterday. It was down 3.6% following disappointing sales data in China and Germany. Also weighing on that stock is what you mentioned, the growing split between Tesla CEO Elon Musk and President Donald Trump, especially around the spending in this tax bill. He has been quite vocal on Twitter in the last few days. That's Tesla shares underperforming, down 1.7%.
And just quickly, what's going on with Land's End? That stock's popping.
You know, that is a great question. This Land's End is up nearly 8%, even though they just came out with earnings that saw revenue miss, and they also was a slight miss on EPS. So I need to dig into the story on that one, Nathan, and parse through those earnings details. But that's Land's End up nearly 8% after
All right,
earnings.
well, we'll look forward to that in the next Stock Movers conversation. Thank you for this.
The Stock Movers Podcast from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.